So what kind of materials can I glue veneer to? And how do I know what backing material I should order? First of all, what is a substrate? A substrate is simply the surface that you're gluing your veneer to. Many people prefer to use MDF, medium density fiberboard. It is very, very smooth. It's made from very, very finely ground up sawdust, almost powder-like, and glued back together. It allows it to be a very, very stable surface, and stability is the name of the game when it comes to veneering. However, there are some downsides. It doesn't hold screws as well, for example. So we can shift to a plywood. This is a plywood that has a very lightweight wood for the center. It is going to be also stable, but not as stable as the MDF, but will allow us to hold screws and nails a little bit better than the MDF would. If I need something even stronger, I have another plywood here that has a hardwood core. Again, it is going to allow me to take screws or nails, still has a nice flat surface, relatively stable because of the plywood alternating grain directions. And then last but not least, what I have here is a combination of the two products. On the two outer surfaces, there's MDF, which will remain very, very smooth, very, very stable, but with the rigidity of the three center layers here being plywood. Now, these happen to all be 3/4 inch materials, but substrates can come in many different thicknesses, all the way down from 1/8 of an inch up through inch, 1.5 inches. No problem in getting 1/2 inch or 3/8, your choice. Understand that there are additional benefits to some of these man-made products. You can purchase any of these products with no formaldehyde added to it. It's referred to as NaUF for no added urea formaldehyde, which can be toxic or poisonous. We also can purchase this stuff that's moisture resistant. Xterra is a very popular brand. And there's even some that are making now that are fire retardant. So fire resistant products also as possible substrates. These are all available to you. And if you are in the market for something specific, you have any questions, feel free to call us at Oakwood Veneer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on all our socials. If you have questions, feel free to call us or visit us at oakwoodveneer.com.